Hello everybody, this is the editor back for another How to Even JavaScript video. This video I'm going to be teaching you about messages. And this message that I'm sending is I am the editor. Now you might think, editor, this is just like the text function. Like this. I am the editor. And then we have to comma x comma y and bracket semicolon. Look, but that only puts it there. It's like a rectangle, by the way, if I haven't taught you that. It goes to the top corner. Anyway, it's just like that, just repeated over and over again. I don't get it. But soon you will. Message is just a variable, and basically you actually do text. You hit text the message that I'm sending, var message, so it'll send this message all the time. I am the editor, and yeah. By the way, you have to fill this, because look what happens if I do it white. Nothing happens. So, I'm doing it red. This one's supposed to stand out. Fill. How about black? There. So, you can easily do a whole bunch of texts, like text I am the editor, and we just have to put that in quotation marks. The thing about texts is you have to put them in quotation marks. Like, I'm not talking about like something that's optional if you didn't pick up on that by the halves. Anyway, 200 NB, 200, and it's 200 there, so let's just make it 180, right? By the way, that's the text function. So you see, we have one there and one there. So I can just keep on doing that over and over and over again until I am all the way down to the bottom or the top, whichever I'm going. But now that we have the while loop, which I haven't actually taught you about yet. This is pretty much the only loop that you don't know. I know, you know. You probably don't know a lot of them. I don't know a lot of them. Anyway, so we have the variable, we have the fill, and then we have the message. The while loop goes like this. Whoops. So it goes while bracket. It's kind of like the if statement. If this condition is still being met, if the condition is still being met, so while the if the condition is still being met, then if the condition is still being met, then we have a squiggly bracket after I think a space thinks a space is necessary. Then another squiggly bracket, and the code to run should go inside there. Code to run if, sorry, no if there. You can actually put loops inside loops. So I'm actually just going to capitalize that to make, whoops, forgot that down does that. Anyway, so yeah, if the code is running, then that means the condition is still being met, meaning that this is still running, the code inside. So we're gonna, how's the fill there? Anyway, so you see that we have all this, but if we want that to go a little bit higher, we can actually just change that to 20. And there you have it. So as we go down, it will actually create more messages that are exactly the same, 20 pixels apart. So from there to there is about 20 pixels. I can't think of anything else to put in this episode, so I'm gonna leave it up to your imaginations to create some cool things with while loops. Don't forget you can put if loops inside, if loops, I think. Anyway, I'm thinking of doing another series called How to Even Scratch. Scratch is another programming language. If you want to, like, know how to program in Scratch, you can leave that in the comments saying, "Hey, I want you to do a series about how to even Scratch." Yeah, that's what it's going to be called, How to Even Scratch. Yeah, you can. After that, I'm gonna learn the small basic with you guys actually. So small basic is gonna be cool. I already know a little bit of it, but a friend is going to be doing how to even HTML. That's how to code websites. There's another tutorial on Khan Academy, but I would like you to watch that one. So, oh, you actually can see that. Okay. Computing, computer programming, and it actually teaches you how to build a web page, how to make them interactive. It's really cool. So just once again, there's a subject button that you guys can't see. Click that, then this menu will come up. Click that, computer programming, then it'll give you intro to JS, that's JavaScript. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you can recommend it to your friends. Leave a like, leave a subscribe, I don't really care. Yep, see you in the next video. Goodbye.